Hello and welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. Happy New Year to everyone. Some of my subscribers told me that they've not been receiving notifications. Please, I would like you to click on the notification bell and select all notifications so you can be receiving these easy recipes from Spice and Simplicity with Julie, because I do not want any of you to miss out on our recipes 2026. So today I'll be preparing Ewedu Soup. Join me as we travel to Ogun State, Abeokuta, to get our ingredients. The ingredients are minced Ewedu leaves, frozen chopped okro. I will show you in another video how to preserve your okro. Quarter purple onion, 2 habanero peppers. For the dried spices, we have grinded crayfish, seasoning cube, and of course, Ewedu Soup seasoning. First, I'll be blending the vegetables together. Of half a cup of boiling water, I'll add my dried ingredients. I'll add my salt, seasoning cube, and Ewedu Soup seasoning. Next, I'll add the blended vegetables. So we allow this to cook for 5 minutes. Our Ewedu is ready to be served. Normally we have it with amala, plantain fufu. Please drop in the comment section if you want to learn how to make amala, plantain fufu. And also we serve with stew meat. Check out my previous video on how to make the Nigerian stew